Hello! Let's make lemon tart with meringue. To make meringue, I'm using meringue powder from Chefmaster. Just look at those tarts. They're so delicious and easy to make. If you're ready, let's get started. To make tart crust, we need all-purpose flour, almond flour, powdered sugar, pinch of salt, egg, and unsalted butter. In a mixing bowl, sift all dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, almond flour, powdered sugar, and salt. Using paddle attachment, mix all ingredients and add butter. You need to make sure all ingredients combine. Then add 1 egg. And continue mixing. The dough should be soft and easy to work with. Place dough between 2 pieces of parchment paper and roll with the rolling pin into about 1/8 of inch thickness. After that, transfer this parchment paper with the dough on a baking sheet pan and chill in the freezer for 4 hours. Now let's shape this tart crust. You're gonna need knife, ruler, and some tart rings. Remove 1 top layer of the parchment paper and cut long strips using knife and ruler. Using tart rings, cut the circles of the dough. This is going to be bottom of the tarts. Carefully place the strip into the ring and press with your fingers. If this strip is too long, then cut it off with a knife. Place shaped tart crust on a prepared baking sheet with a mat and chill in a freezer for about an hour. Meanwhile, let's make lemon filling. We're gonna need lemon juice, white granulated sugar, egg yolks, butter, and zest of lemon. I'm using double boiler. Place sugar, egg yolks, lemon juice, and lemon zest. And cook it over medium heat. I'm using wooden spoon for that. I'm mixing all the time. You need to cook until the sauce will be a little thickened, and you can check the temperature. It should be around 80 degrees Celsius. After that, remove it from the heat. Just be very careful, it's really hot. Pour lemon curd through the sieve. Let it cool to room temperature and add butter. I'm using spatula to mix. After that, cover with a plastic wrap to contact and refrigerate until use. Using a sharp knife, trim the top of the tarts. But please be very careful here not to cut your fingers. Meanwhile, preheat oven to 320 Fahrenheit. Bake tarts for 20 minutes. After that, let tarts to cool to room temperature and then remove rings. Transfer lemon filling into pastry bag. Using scissors, cut little tip in a pastry bag, but don't cut too much. And fill tarts. After that, refrigerate for at least 1 hour in the fridge. Now let's make meringue. I'm using meringue powder from Chefmaster. We need white granulated sugar, boiling water, and meringue powder. In a mixing bowl, add white sugar and boiling water. Use whisk or spatula to mix it together and let it cool to room temperature. We need to make sure all sugar dissolved. After that, add meringue powder and whip until stiff peaks. Just look at this meringue. It's so beautiful and so delicious. That's how it looks. Transfer meringue into pastry bag with piping tip. You can use any of your favorite. I'm using Wilton 125. And after that, we're going to decorate those lemon tarts. I'm piping meringue on just one side of the lemon tart. I want to see this yellow lemon filling on my tart, but you can decorate the whole tart if you like. This is my favorite part, to use this meringue for decorating. These lemon tarts are so delicious and perfect for spring. If you like it, subscribe and follow for more recipes. Thank you for watching.